Hey everyone, I'm Lena, and welcome back to the Steam and Sauna Blueprint by Opulent Recreations, your home for all things steam, sauna, and modern wellness. If you're adding a steam shower to an Airbnb or rental property, the rules are very different than for a personal home. You're not just choosing a steam generator for comfort. You're choosing one for reliability, durability, and minimal maintenance, because in a rental, downtime costs money. Service calls cost money, and guest misuse is something you have to plan for. So, in this 2026 Buyer's Guide, 1LL walk you through what actually matters when choosing a steam shower generator for Airbnb and rental properties, and which brands make the most sense. First, let's talk about what rental properties actually need. For Airbnbs and rentals, the priorities are very different from luxury homes. You need reliable performance, simple controls, fast recovery between guests, low maintenance requirements, and strong manufacturer support. You don't need complex smart features, app controls, voice integration, and overly customizable interfaces. In fact, those features often create more problems than value in a rental setting. Why do steam generators fail early in rental properties? Most rental steam generators fail early for 3 reasons. First, undersizing. Many rentals have tile, glass, or stone showers, and if the generator isn't upsized, it runs constantly under stress. Second, guest misuse. Guests leave steam running too long, change settings repeatedly, or don't understand how the system works. Third, hard water and scale buildup. Rental properties often go longer between maintenance cycles, so the best generator for rentals is one that's forgiving, not fancy. What features actually matter for Airbnb steam generators? For rentals, the most important features are automatic drain or flushing systems, conservative heating cycles, simple, durable controls, strong internal component quality, and easy access to parts and service. These features reduce failure rates and keep operating costs predictable. Top steam generator brands for Airbnb and rentals 2026. Mr. Steam is one of the most popular choices for rental properties. Why? Because their generators focus on proven reliability, conservative engineering, strong auto-drain systems, and excellent long-term parts availability. Pair a Mr. Steam generator with a simple control like iTempo or TempoFlex, and you get a system that guests can't easily misuse. Delta Steamus generators are another strong option for rentals. They offer smooth, comfortable steam, auto-drain protection, clean, intuitive controls, and good support under the Delta umbrella. Delta works especially well in mid-range Airbnbs, where you want a nicer experience without introducing unnecessary complexity. Kohler steam generators are often chosen for design-forward rental properties. They're known for predictable, steady performance, simple control interfaces, and strong compatibility with Kohler bathrooms. They may not have the fastest steam startup times, but their simplicity helps reduce guest confusion. Brands to be cautious with in rentals. In rental environments, generators with overly complex electronics, heavy reliance on apps or Wi-Fi, and limited service networks tend to create more headaches than value. Sizing matters more than brand in rentals. For Airbnbs, always size one step larger than the minimum recommendation. Why? Because guests overuse steam. Rentals often use stone or tile. Larger generators cycle less aggressively. Upsizing reduces stress and extends lifespan, even if it costs a bit more upfront. For rental properties, the best controls are simple, durable, hard to misuse, avoid advanced touchscreen controls. Instead, look for dial style or basic digital controls, limited adjustment ranges, no app dependency. This alone can prevent many service calls. The cheapest steam generator is rarely the most profitable one. A slightly higher upfront investment often means fewer breakdowns, fewer service calls, better guest reviews, higher nightly rates. In rental properties, predictability beats features every time. So what's the best steam generator for Airbnb in 2026? Best overall, Mr. Steam with simple control plus auto drain. Best mid-range experience, Steamist best design-forward rentals, Kohler. The right choice depends on your property style, guest profile, and maintenance tolerance. Let's wrap this up. A steam shower can be a huge differentiator for an Airbnb or rental, but only if it's done right. Choose a reliable brand, a simple control, proper sizing, and a system built to tolerate misuse. Do that and a steam shower becomes an asset, not a liability. If you're planning a steam shower for a rental or Airbnb and want help choosing the right generator, reach out to us. We help property owners select systems that last, not systems that cause problems. You'll find links to all our steam shower collection below in the description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming reviews. And if you'd like more installation tips or personalized help, join our free school community, the Steam and Sauna Blueprint. I'm Lena, and until next time, stay warm, relaxed, and inspired.